This is an example of a custom view. Custom views can be found under contacts, companies, sales, deals, and then also under service tickets. So we'll take a look at custom views in companies. Basically, all we're doing is looking at all companies, and then we can set a filter. So we could define the company relationship type, for example, as any of a new industry prospect or startups, or now it's just down to our startups. So once we've done that, we can actually apply the filter. We can also modify the header row up here in terms of what data is displayed. We're just going to save this as startups. We'll share the view with everyone. And now that we've done that, we're one click away from accessing this view. The other thing that we can do here is you will not be able to export reports in the free or starter editions. You'd have to have the reporting add-on to do that, just to be clear. So what you can do, though, is you can take this data, even in the very low-cost versions, you can export this to CSV or to there's a couple different options there, but basically that has now been exported out to Excel, where you can do some baseline reporting from there. So it's a nice way to keep your license costs down, and it's very clean and simple for those on a tight budget. Anyway, so that's an example of a custom view. And if we wanted to look at this one here, this is all your 2018 BRE visits, and the header row is set up this way as well. So your team will get trained on how to do this. And here you can see you can edit the columns and move things around and add new columns and so on. Okay, so hopefully that helps.